I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and today I have some products from a company called Peak Cosmetics. They are a cruelty-free brand and they are inexpensive, which is awesome. So I have 4 products right here. I have a couple of palettes, some mascara, and then a blending sponge. I have actually reviewed this sponge before and I do like it. I like it a lot actually. It's a little bit on the firmer side, but it's the same shape as a beauty blender, which is my personal favorite shape. So I really like this sponge. Okay, so the other products that I have are these Campfire 3D fiber lashes. It comes in a little kit. You know, if you've ever used 3D lashes before, I'm sure you are familiar with this type of a thing. I do not like fiber lashes. I just don't. I tried using this kit. I was like, maybe this one will be different. It's just not. They get in my eyes, they irritate me. I can't use fibers, you guys. And that's just me. I know tons of people who love using fiber lashes like this, where it's, you put on like a layer of mascara and then the other wand has little fibers on it. It's literally just a wand of fuzzy fibers like this. So you put on your sticky mascara and then you put this on the same way you put on mascara, and the fibers stick to the mascara, and then you do another layer of the sticky mascara and you can build it up. So you can get really fantastic lashes with this. I just, for whatever reason, they don't work for me. I think it's because I have really short stubby lashes or something, so there's not a lot for them to stick to. I don't know. I don't know what my problem is. Anyway, this set is $10. If you've ever tried like the unique one, I think Tarte has a kit similar to this. They can be kind of expensive, and this kit right now is $10. Now it does say on the website, I'm looking at the website right now, that they were originally $29.99, which seems like a normal price for this type of a thing, but they are on sale for $10. So if you like this sort of thing, I would jump on that deal. And then the other 2 things that I have these 2 palettes right here. I have this eyeshadow palette, which is the Modern Neutrals. It is a 28 color eyeshadow palette, and these are all mattes. And I just love this palette. I feel like the color range is fantastic. There's a lot of cool tones in here, which I appreciate because I prefer cool tones. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like the occasional warm look, but I think with the blue hair especially, I tend to definitely go more toward cool tones. So I did this eyeshadow look today using this palette. I will show you how I got that right now. Okay, I'm going to take this cream color and I'm basically just going to put this all over my lid as a base, which will help my other shadows to blend. It's not really adding a whole lot of color. And then I'm going to use that same brush to add a little bit of white to my brow bone, just to highlight that area a little bit. And then I'm going to take this gray and put it in my crease as more of a transition shade, and I'm just using a fluffy luxie brush to do that. Then I'm going to use a tapered brush with this darker gray and deepen my crease as well as create an outer V, and I'm going to take that a little bit on the upper lid as well as the lower lash line, just to help deepen and broaden that outer V. Then I'm going to take this beautiful plummy purple shade and pack that on my lid, but I'm going to avoid the inner corner area because I'm going to put a lighter shade there. And I'm also going to take this shade just on the center of the lower line of my lower lash line and then blend it all in with that same fluffy luxie brush that I used for my crease. Now I'm taking this shade, it looks white, but it's actually a very light pink, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner and just blend it into that plum on the upper lid as well as the lower lash line. And then blending again with that fluffy luxie brush, and that's it, easy peasy. So these are all matte shades. There are no shimmers or anything in here, which I really like actually, because a lot of my palettes are very shimmery. And while I do love using shimmery eyeshadows, sometimes it's nice to just go back to mattes or have these types of shades in a matte shade if that is what you want to use. The colors are pigmented, they blend out really easily. I have not used all of them, I don't think, but the ones that I have used, I really enjoy using. I wasn't sure what to expect from the quality because it is inexpensive and it's a decent sized palette. You have 28 colors here, but I mean, but the pigment is definitely there. I've really enjoyed using these. I don't find them to be chalky or anything. This is like the worst swatching job ever. But there they are, swatched on my arm. I don't know, you guys, I've been using this for a couple of weeks now and I've really been loving it. And the package, you're definitely not paying for packaging, okay? This is a cheap plastic thing. There's no mirror in here or anything, but you know, for $14 to get all of these beautiful shades, this is an amazing deal. So I've really been loving these eyeshadows. And the same thing with the blush palette. This blush palette is $12 and you have 10 colors in here. This one does have a couple of shimmery shades. This one right here is shimmery, this kind of purpley pink color, and then this really lovely coral color is also shimmery, but the rest of them are mattes. These two make really great contour colors. This one I used today as like a bronzing color, and then I used this one on my cheeks. Okay, so I'm thinking with these cool tones, I might actually go for this really cool toned bright pink right here. Just dust that all over the apples of my cheeks and move it back. I didn't tap off my brush on this side, and it's definitely a little more pigmented. That's okay. All right, we'll just add a little bit more. Woo! Tap off your brush. Okay, now I look a little bit like a clown, but that's okay. All right, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is a shimmery, like bronzing color, but it's not too dark, which I like. Tapping off my brush this time. And I'm just gonna kind of go over the tops of my face, like anywhere that I normally get like a suntan kind of a thing. Hair off of my face. Okay. Again, they're very pigmented, they're easy to use, I feel like they blend out nicely, they wear well throughout the day. You know what I mean, they don't last all day long, but I do feel like they have decent lasting power, definitely. They're nice, they're soft, they blend out easily. I'm telling you, this is an impressive palette for the price. I'm really, really liking these palettes. And you know, they're nice and compact and thin, which I appreciate. Like I said, you're not paying for packaging here. This is kind of cheap plastic, but I'm okay with that, you know? I mean, as long as the quality of the makeup is okay, who cares about the packaging? Yeah, okay. I'm not gonna lie, I have bought makeup simply for the packaging. I have definitely done that, I will admit to it. So anyway, that's what's on my face today, and I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. I feel like the eyeshadow was easy to blend, and I really like the colors, I like the pigment. The blush is really great. It doesn't look chalky or muddy on my face at all. So anyway, I'm really happy with all of these. I will leave all of the information in the description box, as well as links and all that stuff where you can get it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!